The Supreme Court in Britain ruled on Wednesday that trans women do not fall within the legal definition of women under the country's equality legislation. The landmark judgment, which said that the legal definition of a woman is based on biological sex, is a blow to campaigners for transgender rights. It could have far-reaching consequences for how the law is applied in Britain to some single-sex services like domestic violence shelters, as well as to equal pay claims and maternity policies. What's interesting about this piece of analysis is you can already see the biases. In this hypothetical situation being conjured up by the New York Times, there's a trans woman is being beaten up and she's being denied access to a single-sex domestic violence shelter. Why would you bring up something so highly particular? Trans issues are ultimately human rights issues. That I agree with. All human beings have rights because we are made in the image of God. And I would say probably the principle of non-judgment and the principle of love must take precedent in any situation where you're not dealing with yourself personally, when you're dealing with other people. But if you have to conjure up in order to get a moral argument together, an even more intricate and granular example of a trans woman who's being domestically abused, being denied access to a single-sex domestic shelter, it seems like is a pretty niche issue. And at the level of law, it seems more important and significant that biological categories continue to be observed, I would say.